Hi guys, welcome back to my universe. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. If it's your first time of seeing my video or listening to my audio, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Kindly subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion on hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. So my gallant subscribers that keep coming back to check me out to see what I got to offer, thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for checking me out. May the good Lord check you out. May the good spirit never be far from you. May God you're going out and you're coming in, and your household. Thanks for your correction, your maturity, your positive energy keeps me going. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want to share with you now the update on this our beautiful sister Vera Uwala, who recently lost her life for Redeemed Christian Church for Nigeria, for my great state Edo State, Benin City. Many people don't weigh in this matter. Many people don't seek justice. To the extent our President Buhari speak about Uniben students come out, the protest go police station. They say they need justice for our beautiful sister Uwala. I thank every protester so he come out. Thank you very much. May the good Lord bless you all. As we need justice for this our sister, so shall God, the good spirit, fight for you all. Una do well. With the good indigenes of Edo State, say thank you very much to each and every one of you, and thanks to everybody who don't show concern. We really appreciate you guys, like seriously. With this, una will understand with no doubt, say our voice get power. Together in one voice, we all can make difference. There is a big huge power in protest. Thank you all very much. I really appreciate you guys. All of una do well. Then our beautiful mommy, First Lady of Edo State, our Excellency Mrs. Bessie Obaseki, she go greet the family of our sister. She show concern, and I will give my opinion for that matter. As you already know, I love that woman with no doubt. I love her. I like the way she dey do her things. If not only to fight for women, I'm really pleased with her work. But this one way she do so, I appreciate. At the same time, I still dey engaged her, and I will tell una the reason why later. And the sister of Uwa speak out with a BBC pidgin with a heavy heart. She can't dey cry, dey explain, say see wetin happen, say she still dey shock. I see some for ITV News Nigeria, and that of my beautiful first lady Mrs. Bessie Obaseki. Somebody send a call for me for WhatsApp, so I will talk on one by one. With that being said, may I quickly share with you now when the sister of Vera Uwala come dey shed tears, come dey talk to BBC Naija, say he and his sister come still get small fracas unto say she wear her clothes. Please bear with me. Let me hit that small clip. I will be back.
I thought she was going to come back with them last night. I saw two of them. She was not there. She was not there. She went to church to read. Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG, Miracle Sanctuary, Edo Province 10. So she said during this corona that she wants to be reading very well, because maybe after this corona they won't give them time for exams. In the morning, before when she was leaving, I was with her. I was even teasing her because she wore my shirt when she was leaving. So we got a call that we should come. Oh, they don't know what they did to my sister. My sister was in a very critical state. She was at one private hospital. They rushed her there. They met her in the pool of her blood. That she was not with any pants or skirt. They pulled her pants. Yes, they tore her pants and pulled her skirt. Then her shirt was soaked with blood. They raped her, but she's a virgin. She has not done it before. We just want the people that did this thing to be found and punished.
Alright, welcome back my wonderful brothers and sisters. Hope you are listening to that touching interview with BBC Naija. It was really heartbroken. I go see this opportunity to beg our elderly ones where would they wear their clothes well. More than all the two complain. This sister now, if she feel see this lovely sister now to just wear her clothes one more time, she will be very happy. So our senior sisters, make una dey happy so would they wear on her clothes. I dey talk like this because me now girl for inside that year. I dey thief my senior sister clothes that year. I just dey target her. If she just wash and iron and finish, me will go the bath. I want go party. I know the wash, I know the bear. once she just go bathroom, go bath, I don't thief the clothes, I'll just run comot for house. Sometimes it's fun. So my elder sisters, my younger sisters for Bongo or for Europe, make una dey happy say at least una get sister wey dey follow una dey drag clothes, so una get brother wey dey follow una dey drag clothes. Some people just dey wish now if they fit just get one to come follow them dey talk say abeg I wan wear this your cloth, give me this your cloth, make dem still dey argue together. So make we abemo appreciate ourselves for the time we take see ourselves, because we no know wetin tomorrow get for us. Today get belle, we no know wetin tomorrow wan born. Then that takes me to the next topic. Our president show a condolence to the family and he write for a Twitter feed. He say, I would like to offer my deepest condolence to the family and friends of Uwaela Omozuwa. I expect the Nigeria Police Force to speedily and diligently investigate this case and ensure that all the culprits responsible for these barbaric acts are brought to justice. Ooh, thank you, my president. You do well. Your voice gallant as e be say come from the federal office. All those our police not get choice than to put night join day to take look for these good lumps. When somebody do better thing, more not they forget to point them out, regardless of anything what would they feel about this person. Then our apostle John C. Suleiman, I know say me and that apostle will be best of friends, as we still be enemy in the spiritual realm. In the spiritual realm, in the sense that he don't know me, I don't know her. We never see in person, but I always they point out things where they do where I personally not like. E.g. when they send his staff go they bring down people YouTube, but this one when he do so, I must give it to him. He really do well. He really do as a servant of God really supposed to do. He dey seek for justice. Not only that, he volunteer to give 1 million naira. It just be like say I know yesterday why I talk say the general overseer suppose bring money come out to take entice anybody wey know this person, not knowing say Apostle Suleiman don't do this one. The first post wey he post was on the 30th. He condemned the acts to the fullest. Then the same on the 30th, he writes again. He said, "Don't speak to our governor, our excellency Governor Obaseki." Then on the 1st of June, then he write and come and say he go give out 1 million to anybody wey fit identify these people. He said, "I will give 1 million naira to anyone willing to provide reliable information to the apprehension of those behind this." Una see am for there of Vera Uwa, who was una see am for there in the church. Then he put a contact number for anybody who want collect the kudi, make it contact. Hey, go, hey, Apostle John C. Suleiman, you really do well for this one. When person do good, more not the faith to point them out, more not the faith to praise them, so that they will get the mind to do another one. Thank you very much for showing concern. Thank you very much for enticing people to quick speak out, because you know we humans, when we see a goal like this, even though our brother and our sister and our friend, we ready to bring and come out. Hey guy, who you help? You not get who you help. Oh, tanto now bad you do. I need this ego. They go bring and come out. That's human for you. 1 million not be small money. Oh, even though na 5 people, na catch am. Share them into 5, now still big money. You got what I mean? That's cool cash. So now this is why I can try to talk for my yesterday video. Say Pastor Adeboye, the general overseer, supposed to do something like this. This one another body of Christ. Where not be member. I know they try to talk say because they not be member, say church is not supposed to come together. No, that's not what I'm trying to say. At least the Papa of Redeemed Christian Church, the general overseer, and I suppose they this position, and I suppose show concern by enticing people with money so that they'll fit to find all these perpetrators. Hey God, oh, my tongue just a dance jungle over. Wanna not worry, I know, so now understand. So now waiting I expect from our daddy. Up till now, I never hear him, I never see him for any news. If he be said they don't do one, but that kind of thing, if they do, and believe me, you social media will catch fire. I never see them go visit the parents of this poor girl. I never see the mommy of the church, the general overseer wife, show concern as a mother, go pay this woman mama visits. I never see him. You know, if you tell me say if now the pastor of that church this kind of thing happen to, say they don't never go. Now what would they talk now be this one? Show good example where other people, where you the coach, where you the teach, go follow. Lay a good example so that people go to speak well or to follow your footstep. I never hear them, I never see them. Maybe they'll call them for phone, but it not reach. They say face to face is better than millions of letters. With all due respect to each and every one of you, with respect to the followers, with respect to the body of a Redeemed Christian Church, truth bitter. we really need to talk am. Then the other one wey I go show una the video now, Unibe students they come and go protest for front of a police station, say they need quick justice, and they come and say they don't get one suspect. Now suspect don't be say they say na him do am, they say he's a suspect because the fire extinguisher wey they say hits the girl, they see the guy thumbprint for there. If it be say when he reach there, na be the first person wey push the fire extinguisher, not knowing say it thumbprint go there. If it still be say he know something about am, nobody can tell. So all of us pipe low, more say as the investigation want to play, is the number one suspect right now. Why? Because they see it on print for that fire extinguisher, and they say the girl na virgin. Oh God, it dey painful sha. You know, yesterday I come to talk something about the boyfriend. I don't even know say na tear rubber new chassis. We never even know anything. So that protest, they come to talk another matter for inside that protest. Say they still need justice for another lawyer where some group of men. This one not be boys, so this one are men where they just buy like that. They buy and finish. They come still get mind. They go dig am, bury am for near one of the chairman house. They just do one kind. They all put am for ground. Maybe the family of that guy now would just they say they look for their brother, especially when he be the type where he be say man, he go just come up for house. A week they not go see him, 2 days they not go see him, 3 days they not go see him. They don't know say all these heartless people don't buy the guy, don't put him for ground. So now I think they catch some of the guys where can expose these bros, say now this bros corner of house, now they put the dead body. So they can't go there, they can't go dig and come out. According to the police, they say they don't arrest more than 5 of them, say they confess to the crime, say they do them. Ask me what they say do now where he reached to buy human being put. They say they get small argument for beer parlor. The guy use the mouth, they talk him, say they quarrel or they beat one of their people, then they can't revenge. They can't go beer parlor. The friends of this lawyer can't run. Then they can't catch this Armstrong guy. Now they can't begin to play the guy. They can't find out say the guy na still Curtis. I can't like they say sorry, excuse me, because say the guy na still system person or because say na Curtis guy, he warrant to kill am, or in they think say if he talk that kind of thing, they'll say yes, it's good, you do am well. Say because say na Curtis, you can take law into your hand. I don't really understand the points where they try to make there. Before I will continue with the rest topic, make I share this particular video with you now. I want to hear from the reliable source from ITV News Nigeria, 947. Please bear with me, my wonderful brothers and sisters. Make I share this sad story with you now. I will be back.
Entrance into the state police headquarters in Benin City was blocked by the protesters, thereby preventing pedestrian and vehicular movement in and out of the security outfits. The situation forced the image maker of the command to come out to listen to the protesters. Leader of the protesters, Moses Kola Edobayi, said they are worried over the rape and killing of Miss Vera Uwaila Omozua and the murder of Barrister Osobase Omo Iyoha. They called on the police to speeding up investigation and arrest other fleeing suspects.
That shows that we are no longer safe. The greatness. Yes. All we demand is that justice should be done for Barrister Omo Osebose Iyoha and Miss Vera Uwaila Omozua, so as to serve as deterrent to other unscrupulous, other disgruntled elements that will take delight in committing sacrilege.
Responding, the police public relations officer, DSP Chidi Uwambuzo, said the case of Uwaila is being investigated by a high-powered police team as directed by the Inspector General of Police, while investigation into the case of Barrister Omo Iyoha has reached an advanced stage and assured of justice on the 2 cases.
The case of Vera, we're also indeed mourning as a command. And I tell you that as we are speaking here, gathering here, the National Assembly is on that case. And the Inspector General of Police too has ordered for the immediate transfer of this case from the command to Force CID. And I tell you that justice will also be served. I want to use this opportunity to call on good people of Edo State, general public, to come up with information as we all know that we cannot work without intelligence gathering.
Policemen gaining access into the uncompleted building where Barrister Osobase Omo Iyoha was buried beside the residence of the prime suspect situated at Omomo Street off Reliance Road, Adowa Quarters, Benin City. This is the uncompleted building that Barrister Omo Osobase Iyoha was buried by the killers. Behind me are men of Anti-Kidnapping and Cyber Crime Unit of Edo State Police Command, head workers from Edo State Ministry of Health, and head workers from the police clinic. As you can see, they are putting finishing touches in place to ensure the proper exhumation of Barrister Omo Osobase Iyoha. The building where the victim was buried was overtaken by shrubs and tall grasses. Laborers were hired to ensure that they dug out the sand to pave way for the exhumation. The house where the prime suspect lived has been deserted. This is the comfortable sitting room that the prime suspect, Osasu, was living in before he indulged in crime. As I speak to you, he is now in police custody. Commenting on the issue, the police public relations officer, Edo State Command, DSP Chidi Unwambuzo, said 6 suspects are in police custody out of the 10-man gang. The police image maker identified the prime suspect as Osasu Usadolo Afro, who allegedly killed Barrister Osobase Omo Iyoha as a result of a minor argument at a drinking joint.
Barrister Iyoha Osadolo Omo was adopted by one Osasu Usadolo Afro and his gang members. This suspect confessed to this crime and led the police to the grave beside the first suspect, Osasu Usadolo Afro's house, where they buried him in a shallow grave. Here we have the remains of Barrister Iyoha Osobase Omo with us here.
The suspect, Osasu Usadolo Afro, narrates how the dastardly act was committed.
And my friends do we dey beer parlor go drink. I tell in number. As we reach the beer parlor, they was follow my friend the fight. For there now, that's where we revenge. So reach there now, all of them run. Now we catch one for his side, and the one who catch now can't be Curtis. So now my friend say use wood by mistake. I take that. Now come for here with mistake.
Just because he follow your friend,
yeah.
fight.
Now my
make you not take him life.
No, it was a mistake.
Wait you not take kill him.
Now wood, now they not for here.
Barrister Osobase Iyoha was killed on the 9th of May 2020 over a minor argument.
All right, my wonderful brothers and sisters, you welcome back to my universe. Hope una see how people take dey heartless, how people take wicked, because say person they bear one name, say they bear one color, he reach to kill and put. Not be this guy even quarrel with the person where they say they quarrel with now. Not be this guy do the thing where they say he do, he say na mistake. They use wood a big stick, take hit am for head, say na mistake. Like seriously, when they hit person, una feel say na mistake, una no know say he go die. Which kind of excuse be that one? I no feel understand. I bet una understand. If una understand, una make me understand. Because person no they know I finish. I really not understand. This aspect of killing innocent people because they carry one name the waka is not good. If you look at now, na Edo person kill Edo person o. No be say Edo person buy Fulani S-men now. Na Edo na they buy themselves now. This one are the youths wey suppose fight the quarrel where they get for Edo State between Fulani S-men and them and their mama and their children and their son. They kill themselves like chicken. Like I was bros, what you they talk about? What you they talk about? I don't understand. Does it justify what you did? All this one where you they talk now, bros, it justify the fact say you buy somebody, say you send person go early grave. After you don't see send and go early grave, you still get the mind to just make the corpse disappear. That's wickedness now. That one at the height of wickedness. See the bros face now. They don't arrest her now. All those pumping, all those you don't know me, all those I go deal with you, all those revenge, all of them don't go down. It don't pipe low, it don't cool, with all due respect to each and every one of you. But the time where that guy they beg for a life, but the time when they beat that guy, where that guy they cry, where that guy they shit piece for body, one a guy that they beat him, una not get messing, una not reason and say, man, now woman I born this guy. All the money where the parents spent for that guy education, all of them just go down drain like that. To go law school for Nigeria or anywhere around the world, do you know how expensive it is? Do you know how many brain they need to crack? Do you know how many study they need to study? Una know, see the English way still the fall come out for this my brother mouth. With respect to una, with respect to the family, una buy somebody where go school, where they not grammar, where go use what he go learn for school, take transfer our states, una send and go early grave because he they bear one name. No me say I ain't do what they buy for so. It doesn't make sense, my do people. It doesn't make sense, my brothers. It doesn't make sense, my fathers. It doesn't really make sense. Make all of us change. I beg una. Make una stop to the cause our mothers pain. Make una stop to the cause our parents pain. Make una stop to the cause our siblings pain. I beg una. After una don't do all these things, una go as go relax. Una go as go drink beer. Like seriously? Jeez. God. Me, I know they look all these things like saying now people will get mind. I they look people where they take people life like cowards. Like seriously, person go they beg una make una free and you know one die make una beg. Una see the beats until the person can't give up. Una call that one mind. That one not be mad. People will get mind. Now people will be say man. If they bab them, nothing they happen. They not they confess. Now those ones not be people will get mind. With all the torture where they will give them, they will still make boy, but they go torture on a small now. Una begin go they show what una do. Who do this one, who not do this one. Now cowardness now I call that one. With all due respect to each and every one of you, I dey take this thing personal because I don't lose somebody very close to me. Brother Biggie, the time where crisis considered for those states, the bros they go work. I don't first do video about them. The bros they go work unto say quarrel day between this and this. They just light them, they just kill them like that. When are not uncountable people where don't lose loved ones, where don't lose their friends, where don't lose their husband, where don't lose their boyfriend because say they carry one name. Please, my brothers, make una stop all these things because pain one they cause us is too much. Una no fit understand. It's too much. Make una beg, una stop her. With that being said, my wonderful brothers and sisters, my beautiful first lady for Edo State, she go visit the family of Uwaila. She meet the father, she meet the mother, she talked to them, which I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. Not be all first lady will do what she do. It's like the one where they talk, they come just now. The first lady of Redeemed Church, the mommy of Redeemed Church, she never still by this time go visit the family. So not be everybody fit do what she do. For that simple reason, I'm really grateful. I say thank you to you, our NCLC, Mrs. Bessie. Thank you. But what she can't do I not like, more than not forget, this one of my opinion, and I think I'm entitled to it. As a full bona fide of Edo Bini Pikin, I get all the absolute right to take talk for our leaders matter. So not tell me say mind your business, I beg. Not tell me say what it be your own. Me love that woman pass you. Like seriously, with all due respect. So what did she do I not like? Now when she can't reach there, she ignored the wife as a woman, as a mother. Now the woman I need that visit. Now the woman I need the consolation, not be the man. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to say the man not the feel pain too. If the man need that heart-to-heart consolation, it should be our governor. It should be from our governor, not from the wife. A woman should feel the pain of a fellow woman. As long you don't carry picking for 9 months, that sit down where she sit down with the man, now the woman she's supposed to sit down with. If I share the video with you, I will see the way she take like shift because she's a married woman. She not fit touch the man, she not fit use and rub the body. But if now the wife, the mother, she can hug her and give her shoulder to cry on. She can console her, talk to her from a woman perspective, tell her a word of a mother because she na mother of all Edo people. For the video where I watch, she play role of a masculism, which I not appreciate and I not see am funny. Now when she come dey go, now she can say, hope you heard everything I told your husband. Like seriously, mommy? Like seriously? My excellency, as a mother, you not doing well, honestly speaking. Though people they say man at the head of the house, for crying out loud, please my Nigerians, please my Edo people. Now that woman I carried that picking for 9 months. Now that woman feel the pain pass the father. I know they try to talk say the father know they feel the pain, but the woman pain pass the man own. Now the woman na get that record, na fit understand how that pikin do am for belle for 9 months or 10 months or 11 months or 12 months wey she take carry that pikin. The time wey she not take eat na many pass. The time wey she take sick na many pass. The time wey akilikpa fain. The time wey she take spit na many pass. As a mother, my excellency, you not do am well, honestly speaking. Despite the fact, I appreciate the fact say you really go. Now the woman you need to sit down with. Now the woman you need to embrace. Now the woman you need to give shoulder to cry put. Not be as you dey comot. Not be as she dey comot. She can't say you heard what I told your husband. What you told your husband is not what you should tell me, because I am a woman like you. You should feel my pain from a woman or a mother perspective. Like seriously, with all due respect to my excellency Mrs. Bessie, please bear with me. May I share the video with you now so that una fit understand wetin I dey try to talk, so una fit understand where I'm coming from. Please bear with me. Let me hear the little video. I will be back.
You are welcome, madam. Good evening. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm good. Please. A 22 years a virgin. See, we gather outside there. The guy will be inside the house. Never come out. They say, Wala, Papa Wala, Mama Wala. People they call Papa Wala, Mama Wala. Who know Wala? Oh, now that my children they know. My lamentation, not the loss of the issue. My most lamentation is the suffering again through. From Wednesday till on Saturday when she died, tears were coming out from her eyes. But the eyes that the tears is coming out, not open. So the girl, that means the girl went through pain from on Wednesday till on Saturday.
Not and cannot be in vain. It cannot be in vain. It will not be in vain. It will go a long way to save many lives, many innocent lives in this state and in this country. Her death will not be in vain. Be rest assured of that. And also rest assured that she's with God. She's with God. This life, no matter how long you live, if you live it to 100 years and at the end of it, you don't make heaven, you don't make it to your creator, then there was no point. It was all wasted. She's died now as a hero, a heroine, and a light in these dark ages. Her death has brought about light in Edo State, light in Nigeria. Do you understand? They quenched, snipped life from her, brought darkness upon her life by taking her life away, but that life, God has turned it into light to begin to shine in Edo State and in Nigeria at this time. And this light, little light of hers, will bring many more to God. And at the end, Wala would have saved many more lives than she would have saved if she had lived 100 years ago. Do you understand? Look at it that way. That is, I never knew the story, I didn't hear anything, I just came. As you're talking, these are the things I am feeling, and the words that I am coming out of my heart and mouth. And I believe it is God speaking. So be comforted. Be comforted. It is painful, it is hard. When you can't bear the pain anymore, just turn your mind to these words, to this truth, and be comforted. Okay? Be comforted. And let this not shake your faith. Be resolute in your faith in God. Continue in your love for God. Okay? And God will continue to comfort you on all sides. Okay? He will comfort you on all sides. While us death will...
I don't know those who are with me, but I have come to this lady visited me this morning.
Yes, she's from the next
as early as 8 o'clock.
Yes, we sent her to come and find out the place to vacate the house so that we can come. This is one of the deputy governor.
Oh,
I'm glad to come in. So I'll be in touch.
Oh, thank you very much, madam. I'm driving.
As I was talking to your husband, I'm sure you're heading it too. The pain is much. Be comforted in the Lord. Be comforted in the Lord. We don't have any regrets. God knows everything. He knows everything. He knew this would happen, He allowed it to do that. But He will bring good out of this, okay? Okay?
Yeah, I took the environment when we came in. It's hot.
All right, welcome back, my wonderful brothers and sisters. Thank you very much for sharing this your wonderful time with me. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, for real, because this minutes what you spend with me, even though na 1 second, you can never get it back. So for that simple reason, I appreciate you. Thank you very much. So now see the video of our excellency. What una reason, what una think about this visit? The visit was cool for even going there. I know they dispute that fact, I know they argue that fact. What una reason when she go sit down with the man instead of her to sit down with the woman, instead of her to sympathize with the woman? I know they say don't sympathize with the man. Men should deal with men, women should deal with women, in my own view, if you ask me, with respect to each and every one of you. So let me see from your universe, what do you think about what she do without insult, for where I from come, with the respect our elders were. More try to the disagree, more try to the end our view without insults. So this one is the small report, the hot topic when I get, why I say I can share with you now. I hope you understand, I hope you see reasons for me. I hope you not take them personal, I hope you not take any of my video personal. If any of my video offend you personally, if by any chance, any way, any means, if they offend you, please find a place in your heart to forgive me. For love's sake, for peace sake, I never did on my camera to offend you, to provoke you, to bring out the beast in you. Very far from that. I just look for a way to be the change what I truly and really want. I just look for a way to represent the change what I want to see around me, what I want to see for my community, what I want to see for my state, and what I want to see for my great country, Nigeria. Please be the change you want, my brother. Let me be the change I want. Be the change you want, my sister. Let me be the change I want, because you are the change we are looking for in Edo State. You are the change we are looking for in Nigeria. Same goes to me. With this, we can together make our state great. We can together make our country one of the best in the world. Once again, if this audio offend you, I bet find being way near you. Throw away the one way not good. Throw away the one way not make sense. Put do with the one way make sense. Do with the one way you understand. For love's sake, for peace sake. Till I come your way next time. This of you universe, the massive truth, and I pray the good spirit guide each and every one of us. Protect our going out and our coming in. Give us reason to love, tolerate, and forgive each other. Give us more reason to do away with hate, revenge, and every other bad stuff. Please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. Don't forget to share my videos. Don't forget to patronize me. And don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. Till the next video. One love.